Hi, this is the African Crypto Warlord show. Today we are reviewing XRP USDT. We're giving an update on yesterday's 5-minute analysis and its levels. If you find this information helpful or useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's jump into it. Furthermore, what I will be discussing is why XRP will be decoupling. We have a few reasons here. We have XRP USDT pairing and the XRP BTC pairing, as you'll see here. They are both saying the same thing. And then we have the new 6-hour prints for Laplace distribution, which we'll jump into next. And then we'll give some ranges that we'll have to eye out on the 12-hour to keep a hidden bull dip. Alright, so here's the decoupling that can be in a play, and we hear this word being thrown about by a few people that don't actually know what it means, and it's just correlation between the assets and they both match the same way. So what's happening here is you have expansion in volatility, so volatility is increasing, and the direction of that candle is saying it's going to be up. Okay, that's on the 7-day. We have a mean reversion here, so we're looking for continuation. General idea is the next candle open and close above 2273 here on BTC, XRP BTC. You will see continuation up to this band. So that's quite a big play from here. And then we'll match that up with what's happening on the USDT chart over here. As you can see, it's the same thing, expansion and volatility, but it can be trimmed at about 40 cents. All right, so this is your continuation play that you see here. We are in perfect, good, strong, healthy trend. General idea being is you got to hold above this JMA, and as this JMA crosses through, there's usually more steam that follows through. What usually happens is when the next candle prints, wherever this prints, there's a pullback. Okay, so that's what I'll be looking for as a micro trade within this longer term trend. Sorry. Now we're going to quickly just pop onto the 5 days. See that the 5 days is matching up with the 7 days. Perfect. It's had its mean reversion play for hidden bull div. And same thing. We're just looking for a little bit more continuation of the height. The longer, like my momentum indicator, you can say. We've had our blue flashes off. Everything is looking pretty healthy here. As we say that, let's see what's happening here. We have mean reversion plate on the 3-day. Same thing. Hectic. Volatility, Pearson correlation looking a bit peaked out, but when does only one print in 2 days, 3 hours, so it can stay peaked out for quite a while. Staying peaked out for quite a while will bring it through. Mean reversion continuation through, and any level that you'll be looking to hold above is this 37.20 cents. Okay, so 37.20 for XRP, you hold above there, you have your 3-day bullishes kick up. You have a hidden bull div or a bull div that's being fought over here. What you need to see is currently it's a dump signal. And why is this? Because its volatility is contracting, was positively correlated, and it's expanding with sloppy chips though, so not as strong as it should be, but it's expanding to the downside. So that's what's trimming this. On what you'll see here is this level. Let's just go back to the 12-hour here. We have a 12-hour. So what you see here is what's going to help back the next observation that I'll be explaining in about over the next 2 minutes is you have contraction and volatility, entropy looking for a new direction. Okay, there's bear div as you saw match up on the other time frame on the 24-hour as well. Now, in order for this bear div not to reach so far down, this needs to kick in stronger positive drift, and we'll know that it'll get stronger once this goes pink and then blue, as you can see here. Pink and then blue. That doesn't mean that it goes down, it just means that chaos and disorder has now chosen a direction, and you can figure out the direction through this. Now when that happens, that should hold it above here and deny the lengthy mean reversion play down. No, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, why do I say 3, 4, 5, 6? This is the current range, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that 6-hour distribution cone, which flashed over here on Christmas Day. So a new trend formed on Christmas Day, and it decided to go up, and where its old target was is here. Oh, so this is our mean at 3867. Alright, when the PB cones do load, my internet just cut out. When they do load, it will be a good observation to see. Now we have a bunch of levels, but so we're going to do a volatility analysis. We have contraction was negatively correlated, which is keeping this hidden bear up, okay, from extending down. So that's on the 3-hour. Let's just go see here. It's on the 6-hour. Your 6-hour is holding here. This is our old one. is holding. If it holds above here, you can look for the next touch at 3742, 3776, and the mean 3856. If you close below 3677, you're going to hit 3613 and further down. But because we have a new cone that's flashed, you're going to have a new range of 3455 to 3856. So if you're still with me, please do smash the like and subscribe button, because now I'm going to show you some tricks. Anything that closes, now that we're closing underneath reverse wave trend, any candle that closes below JMA, that's the short down at least to 361 or 360.01. The thing that's holding that up is the current positive drift in the market, but you're going to wait for this to kick in. Now, then we have a 90-minute having a bear div, which matched up with our 6 hours and other things. That's got positive drift, which is negating the 3 hours. So some positive drift in this market that's keeping this up, and there could be a dumperoo that's setting up for a 6-hour time frame. Anyway, some mean reversion through 35. This has got some legs to the upside if it does go through. 15-minute having a nice little outlier in contraction. Now this is going to get quite tight, a nice little tight play. Let's take it back up to the 6 hour and we'll look at these indicators, and then we'll be off and I'll give targets. So we have positive drift. Well, we currently have sideways, but sideways above there is perfectly fine with a mean reversion playthrough. So I'm going to simply keep it simple and say throw the reverse wave trend on, put the ultimate power mean on, go blind for a minute. As you can see, we close candles above this green line. We'll look for continuation to 3750, you could say, an attempt. We start closing below this, 3696. We're going to immediately want to start targeting below 3665. You close below this orange band as a curve comes up, you're coming into this 3591, or when those two cross at 335. You keep it above there, you can still have a hidden bull div. I hope this was helpful. Those are some targets. Those are longer range targets. I'm still satisfied with, we've been building up steam for it to wake up to here before we have a new trend, or at least a good long fight until it gets to here. So that will stay true as long as we hold above 3679. Close below there, you're going to go down. Ciao, Bella.